Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to our online classes. I hope you all are ready for your study. So today I will start English 1, English grammar, and we will start chapter 10. And what is in the chapter 10? Verb. Okay, so today we will start chapter 10, verb, the simple present tense. Okay, children? So first we will know about verb. What are verbs? Now let's know the definition of verb. So what is the definition of verb? Words that show action are called verbs. So verb is doing word or action word. So what is action word? Action word express physical activities. What type of activities? Physical activities, or we can say process. Okay, action word express physical activities or process. So here I have written few examples. So what are the examples? Like dance, swim, run, walk, talk. So these all are physical activities. So now see here example. The girls dance. Okay, when I say the girls dance, so the girls is doing activities, physical activities. Okay, now understood the definition of verb? Again I am repeating. Words that show action are called verb. Or we can say doing verb or action word. Okay? So children, today we will learn about verb, the simple present tense. But first, let us know about what are tenses. So tenses are the form of the verb which tells us the time of the action. So what are tenses? So tenses are simply the way we talk about time. In this we talk about time. So what do you mean by time? We mean the present, the past and the future. Okay, so tenses are divided into three groups: present, past and future. And now we will study about present tense. Okay, what present tense? Simple present tense. Okay, now only we have to focus on present, not past and future. Okay, so in present we have to study about simple present tense. So the simple present tense has few uses. So what are the uses? See, number one, repeated action, regular or habits. It means things you do many times and its habits. The things you repeat it every day and it's regular or its habits. So what are the examples? Like I study every day. So this you do every day. Cows eat grass. So number two is fact or true things. And the example is the earth revolves around the sun. This is the fact. The earth revolves around the sun. I live in Ramgarh. So this is true things that you live in Ramgarh. Now see in your book. Just look here. Words that show action are called verb. we use the present tense to show an action that is done as a habit that happens regularly. Just now I have told the actions we do, the action we do regularly, like I study every day. Okay? So we also use the present tense when we talk about fact. And you also know about fact or true thing, like the earth revolves around the sun. Okay? So now children, how do we make sentences? But first, let's know the three person. What are the three person? First person, second person, and third person. So in first person, I. So I is singular. First person, singular. We, first person, plural. So I and we both are in first person, but I is singular and we is plural. Now come to second person, you. You is singular and plural, both. Okay? So you is in second person and it is singular as well as plural. So now what is third person? Third person, he, singular, she, singular, it, singular, they, plural. So all these comes in third person. Okay? I and we comes in first person. I is singular, we is plural. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it and they. But he, she, it is singular and they is plural. Okay, understood children? Now see here. If the first person singular and plural means the first person singular is I and the first person plural is we. Okay children, first person singular is I and the first person plural is we. Second person singular and plural. So singular and plural you. Okay, and third person only plural. So what comes in plural? They, not he, she, it, only they. So in that we will not add s. Okay, we will not add s. This is base form. It means VO form. In that we will not add s. And what are that example? I come. We come. You come. They come. Okay children? So in that we will not use s. I, we, you, they. In that we will not use s. And if the subject is third person singular. See, third person singular. What are that words? He, she, it. Now see here, he, she, it. In that we will add s or es. Okay? So example. See here example. He comes. Or we can say Tom comes. Okay, he or Tom. She comes. Ria comes. Okay, she comes or Ria comes. It comes. Or we can say the cat comes. Okay, so in he, she, it, we add s. Now see here again. Again I am explaining. I write. We write. You write. They write. And here he writes. She writes. It writes. So I, we, you, they, we will not add s, and here he, she, it, we will add s. Now children, see here, in regular verb we add s. Okay, so what are that? Walk, walks. Climb, climbs. Okay, so verb. So next is verb ending in s, x, ch, sh, o. In that we will add es. Okay, so what are that? Miss, misses, es. Wash, washes, es. Go, goes, es. Mix, mixes. Watch, watches. Now consonant plus y, in that we add ies. So what are that words? Study. So we remove y and add ies. So in place of y, what we will add? Ies. Study, studies. Fly, flies. Okay. So now vowel plus y. So in that we add simply s. We will not remove y. So here before y there is a vowel. Okay. So simply you add s. So what are that? Play, plays. Say, says, because here vowel is there. Okay. So when vowel is there, after that y, so simply you add s. Okay children. So in next class, I will explain all the exercise. Till that, you study again the verb, the simple present tense. Thank you.